Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about NRI tax refund in bank account. So we will discuss mainly three things. The first thing we're going to discuss is which types of bank accounts can be used for NRI tax refund. So that we will see in this video. The second bit we will see can we use foreign bank account. So if you are living outside India and can you use your foreign bank to get this NRI tax refund? And the last bit we will see where can we add these accounts, right? Okay, so first bit, which type of accounts can be used for NRI tax refund, right? So you can use NRO account. So that means non-resident ordinary account. So if you are NRI, you not be having NRO or NRE account or FCNR in some cases. So in this case, if you need to get a refund back, you can use your NRO account, and I'll show you where you can pre-validate it, right? And the second bit is you can use your foreign bank account as well. Okay, so most of people don't know that you can put this foreign bank account as well in tax refund, right? So let me show you a notification which income tax department released in 2017. Okay, so if you go on this site, income tax in India efiling.gov.in, I'll paste this link in description as well. So there's a notice here, and that's been released in 2017. So if you see here, it says optional reporting of details of one foreign bank account by the non-resident in refund cases. So that's been said here. Refund generated on processing of return of income is currently credited directly to the bank account of the taxpayers. Availability of the details of bank accounts in which the refund is to be credited in precondition for direct credit of refund in the bank account. So that's been said here. So then they mentioned that there are various issues, and NRI have reported the issues. So what they said, if you see this last bit where it says, in view of this, a facility has been provided in return utility for reporting of details of bank account by non-residents who do not have bank account in India and who are claiming income tax refund. So that means if you don't have an RO account, right, then also you can take a refund back. And what you need to do, therefore, the non-resident who are not claiming refund or non-residents who are claiming refund but having a bank account in India are not required to furnish details of their foreign bank account in the return of income. So this account you will just use for taking a refund, right? Then it says, however, the non-resident who are claiming income tax refund and not having bank accounts in India may add their option, and this is option for you whether you need to put that, right? So furnish the details of one foreign bank account in the return of income tax for issuance of refund. So this is very clear. If you don't have an RO account, you can use your foreign bank account as well, right? So this has been released in 2017, and you can find these details on income tax India efiling.gov.in site as well. Right. So I hope it would be very clear that either you can use an RO account or you can use your foreign bank account. All right. Where can we add this account? Right. So if you have not gone through, I have already made one video for ITR2 form. So if you're not gone through, I'll be just putting in the information box, and you will click and find it out. Right, so you can add this account in your ITR2 form, and that is under section this part B, section schedule part B TTI, and that's 26. It may vary in future, but yeah, for now it's in the 26 section. I'll showing you all the details, and there's a section there for bank account details. So here it clearly said you have bank account in India. If you can click whether yes or no. So if you don't have, this option would be available, right? So here you can add your foreign bank account details, and this is clearly saying here, in case of non-residents, details of any one foreign bank accounts may be furnished for the purpose of credit of refund. So this is clearly showing here, right? So you don't need to have any confusion where which bank account you need to add, and yeah, that's pretty simple. So if you are adding an RO account, you have to pre-validate. I mean, that's a pretty good bit. So if you get your account pre-validated, you don't need to wait much long for refund purposes. So let me quickly show how you can do that, and I'll be showing in ITR2 form where you can find this. Quickly, I have downloaded its a Java utility file for ITR2 form. So let me quickly open this and show you how where you can find all the details. All right, so yeah, it's ITR 2 20 1920. So if you go here at the home, here you will be having all those sections there. Like if you go there, Part B TTI, which says computation of tax liability on total income. If you click here, and very below you will see all these options like which I shown you, like bank account details. So here what you could do, if you have by default save, so if you have your NRO account, you can add it here with the FSC code, name of the bank account number. If you don't have your NRO account, what you can do, you can select it no, and yeah, when once you select it no, it would be asking you your foreign bank account. So it would be having Swift bank code, whatever bank name of your bank and IBA number, right? And then at last you can select here country of location. So wherever you are living, you can select it, and yeah, just furnish the details, right? So I hope it would be clear. Let me quickly show you how you could do if you are adding an RO account, how you need to pre-validate. I mean, that's just for a purpose, because if you are pre-validating, it will give you refund very easily and quickly, right? To pre-validate your account, what you need to do, you have to go on this Income Tax India filing of site, then you have to go in profile settings, and here you need to click pre-validate your bank account. So once you click here, it would be, if you need to add more account, you have to click it here. So once you get it added, it will be showing all details and the account type, right? So here you have saving, current, cash, credit, overdraft, and non-resident ordinary account, right? So if you want to get refund in this account, you can pre-validate it, and that's the purpose. You can get it very quickly. So in summary, what I mentioned here, how you need to pre-validate the which I explained just, right. So you can do this, and then yeah, you can select non-resident ordinary account, right. So that's for all this video. Hope it would be clear, and yeah, thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel for all kind of latest video updates. All right, thanks, bye.